In this video, I'm going to show you how to get uncommon egg in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So the first thing you have to do is, of course, you want to walk up here to the pet eggs shop, and then this is now the part of the new pets update. So over here you'll see 3 eggs. Now, in order for you to get the uncommon egg, you'll actually have to get a bit lucky. As you can see, new pet eggs will basically be available every 30 minutes, so it's not going to be 5 minutes like with the seed shop and with the gear shop. However, you're going to have to wait 30 minutes. Now for me over here, there's only the common eggs, but if you actually talk to this man called Raphael over here, so the pet's salesman, you can click on Show Me Pet Eggs, and you'll see there's the uncommon egg in here. Now, the uncommon egg appears in 53% of shops, which means basically there's a 53% chance you actually get one over here, whereas with the common egg, it's almost a 100% chance it will appear. So that's how you can get it. You have to get a bit lucky, you just have to wait it out, and once you eventually get it, of course, you can just buy it over here. I'm currently not sure how much it costs because this update just dropped. If you do know, please let us know in the comments down below. Now, of course, if you want to spend Robux, you can refresh the egg shop for 90 Robux, and then you have a higher chance of it spawning. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.